Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I just wanted to show you the August add-on kit. And the reason we're calling this an add-on kit is because it adds on to the August E-Club kits if you purchase those. If you didn't purchase those, you can still get one of these. There's no subscription. This is just a one-time purchase. But I'm not going to show you how to do this because anybody who purchased this add-on kit gets a link to a complete tutorial on how to start all the way to the finish on this, how to make everything. They get the templates, they get the PDFs, they get the Cricut cut file. Everything in their kit is cut for them. All they have to do is put everything together like we show in our video. And they also get written instructions. So all of that comes with the kit. But I just wanted to show it on here so you guys could get a view, because we do still have, I think, about 3 of these left. So if you want one, you can grab one. But I'm going to go over it real quickly. This box is 4 by 6. So it's going to hold lots and lots of cards in here. It's got 2 little dowel pegs in here that you could color if you wanted to. I liked leaving them just the bamboo color. That was fine with me. These cutouts are from the paper collection from the August E-Club kits. If you don't have if you're not a member of the E-Club kit, you will get some paper in yours that you can use for this kit. The bling is from the kit. I just took some of my scraps and did a little bow here. You get these in the kit. You get this bling in the kit. You get these feet that are on the bottom, the little metal feet in your kit. There we go. I'll show you the sides. So you get 4 little corner plates there. And then you also get some of these little, see if you can see these. You get some of these little bitty Tim Holtz paper clips. I like to forget what they were called. You get a book plate, which I did not use, but some people are using theirs. You get a book plate with the little screws. You get wood buttons. You get, I think, 6 wood buttons in your kit. You get some of these little tiny clips. I can't remember what these are called. Bulldoze clips? I don't know. Bulldoze clips. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, you get some of those little clips. You get these tabs for the top. I think you get 10 of those in different colors. You get 20 of the Rolodex cards in the craft color, that color right there. And then you get 5 of these blue Rolodex cards that have the tab at the top already. So you get all of that in your kit, plus you get, let's see, trying to remember what else comes in the kit. Oh, you get some twine. You get this twine right here. You get a yard of that twine. So basically everything that you see here comes in your kit, with the exception of this little white string, and I just pulled it out of my stash. So everything else basically comes in your kit. So like I said, we have about 3 more of these available. I think they're really cute. I'm going to sit mine on my desk. I'm doing mine in the different seasons, like summer, winter, spring, and fall. And I'm going to include my summer photos in here. I show how to do the little pocket for your, see this little pocket? It holds the different little ephemera. I show how to do that. I show how to embellish your Rolodex cards, things like that. But I'm going to use this first part for the summer, and I'm going to put my little photos. I'm going to print out 2 by 3 photos, and they will work perfectly on these cards. 2 by 3 photos work perfectly, and you still have room to embellish. So I will do my summer here. When winter gets here, I will do my winter ones in here. I'll do my spring ones in here, and then my fall there, and fill this up and sit it on my desk. And then I think it will be a good thing for the kids to flip through and see pictures of the different vacations and things like that. If you got one of these, we are finished with everything, and your instructions, your templates, everything should be on their way to you. And if you didn't get one of these, like I said, I think at the last time I looked, we had about 3 more of these kits available. So if you want one, I will leave that link below. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.